Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Roblox user ID. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the user ID is actually not your username. Your username can be changed, but your user ID is a set of numbers that is the same. So that can't be changed, and it's actually quite simple to do this. So let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new browser, and if you're doing this on a mobile, what you want to do is do this again via the web browser. You want to go to roblox.com and not use the actual Roblox app because you won't be able to get the user ID that way. And obviously what you want to do is come across to roblox.com, and if you're not already, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen like this, and as I say, your user ID is different, so this is your actual username here, but your user ID is a set of numbers. So to actually find this, it's very easy. All you want to do once you're logged in is come up to the three lines, so this menu up here in the top left hand corner, and just go and give it a click, and then come down and click onto profile. And what this is going to do is actually load a page which looks like this. And so your actual user ID is going to be, if you actually look in the URL, so this address at the top here, and after it says users, you've got a series of numbers, which is this here. This is actually your user ID. So you need to do, if you want to use that anywhere, is obviously just highlight and then right click on your keypad and go down and select copy. And then what you can do is just come across and paste that wherever you need to paste it. So obviously you can right click and then go and click onto paste, and you'll see that is the user ID. So that's how you do it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.